Hey y'all, it's your girl Akila, also known as Keela Amazing, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this curly afro wig and how I achieved this caramel brown hair color as well as this a really cute head wrap look. So let's go ahead and hop right on into it. So the hair that I use is by Dyhair777 and this is their Brazilian deep curly hair. I use 4 bundles of the 14 inches, but I actually ended up using about maybe like 3.5. I did have some hair left over. So I ended up making a wig with this hair using the hot glue gun method. I actually do have a really detailed tutorial that's on my channel, so you guys can check that out by clicking this link right here. But I simply just glued the hair onto the head in a circular motion, and since this is a full wig, I did not get a closure. I ended up making my own. So in order to do that, I just took a little piece of hair and wrapped it into this little spiral. I added some glue to that little section, and then I applied this closure piece right there in the middle of the wig. So this is what the wig looked like once I was done. It's really big, it's really full, it's really voluminous, but I decided to transform this thing because I like being extra. So I'm first gonna start off by coloring the hair. I was going for like a caramel honey blonde look, so I'm first going to start off by mixing this BW2 powder along with some 40 volume developer, and I was going for an ombre look, so I made sure to apply this towards the ends of the hair first and then work my way up and leave the roots dark. So after working that into the hair, I then added some foil to the hair so that I could process a little bit faster, and I let that sit for about 30 minutes. And then once the hair was done processing, I took this Shimmer Lights shampoo and I washed the hair to get rid of some of that brassiness. I was really pleased with how well this hair took to the color. I had a minimal shedding and the curl pattern remained the same and intact, so I was really happy about that. And then off camera I did deep condition the hair as well, but now I'm taking this Alake Naturals. This is actually a body oil, but I am the queen of multi-purpose use, so that's exactly what we're doing today. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and comb that through the hair, give it some luster, some sheen, and some shine. And then next I'm going to take this Cream of Nature argan oil mousse, and then I'm simply going to be taking these orange perm rods and curling the hair. And while I'm doing this, I'm making sure to curl upwards. Now I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this took me a minute to do, but I can honestly say that it was totally worth it. So this is what it looked like once I was done, and here is the fun part, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take down these perm rods. So now it's time to put on this wig. I have my wig cap on. I was kind of getting some Annie Hard Knock Life vibes right here, so I definitely decided to separate the curls, give me some more volume, and make it as big and fluffy as possible. And once I was done, I picked out the roots just to give it some more volume and make it as big as possible. But I can honestly say I was pleasantly surprised by these results. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I had no idea what I was doing, but your girl did that. But yeah, this is just like the perfect caramel brown color. Had a few little highlights in there, and I don't know, it's just so cute. But y'all know it wouldn't be me if I didn't add my little Keela Amazing touch to it. So I'm just gonna throw these curls up into this little updo, and I'm just gonna take this headscarf and tie the hair up into this really cute curly bang look. But yeah, y'all, that is it. This is the final look. I feel like this is like the perfect protective style for like a lazy hair day. Feel free to, you know, use whatever wig you want, whatever hair you want, and make it your own. But be sure to check the description box down below for more information about this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.